सो हेलो दोस्तों। आज का एक और क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे। नंबर ऑफ ऑकरेंसेस। बेसिकली क्वेश्चन ये है, आपको एक सॉर्टेड एरे मिलेगा। सॉर्टेड एरे में आपको एक टारगेट दिया जाएगा, आपको टारगेट की फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड करनी है। इन दैट केस टारगेट इज 2 एंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ 2 इज, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व, दैट इज 4. So the array is sorted, so we have to optimize our code to the optimal one. For that we can use binary search. So what we are targeting is that approach. Our approach is thinking of our approach is like, um, we will find the first index of target. Target, like, there are four uh, frequency. The first occurrence is this at index 0 is 1 is 2 is at 1, and the last occurrence of this target is at index is 6. 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 at index 5. Then we will minus last index from first index, that is 5 minus uh, 2 is 3 and plus 1. Then we will get the actual occurrence of that target. So for that we will use binary search because it will reduce our time complexity. Um, so let us write it down in our code. So we have to make two functions. uh, the first function is first occurrence first occurrence function. Okay. And the second one is uh, last occurrence last occurrence function. Okay. It will be double c and it will also double c. So these two functions we have to make, and it will return the int, the index. Okay. It will also return int, and now, so what they will return first index. So int f1 is equals to फर्स्ट अकरेंस को कॉल लगाएंगे आपका, इट विल बी अ सिंगल आर. फर्स्ट अकरेंस को कॉल लगाएंगे एंड इंट L1 में लास्ट अकरेंस को कॉल लगाएंगे. सो ये रिसीव करेगा हमारा एरे और एंड टारगेट, एंड सेम it will also receive array and target. So यहाँ पे हम array और target सेंड कर देंगे इसको. Target, and what we have to return, and first we have to check that f1 is not equals to -1. For this is the case when there is zero occurrence of the target, then we will not find first occurrence, and either the case will be like we will not able to find the last occurrence. Then in that case we have to return -1, and else we have to return L1 minus F1 plus 1. This will our code, and the main code we will write here of binary search. So our approach is like that. To find the first occurrence we will binary search, and if the mid value is equals to the target value, then we will continue to search in the left half. Like in that case the mid value is 2 and this is equal to a target value, and we will continue our search for, after finding that value to the left half in this half. So we will again find the uh, two value, so this will be the first occurrence. So for that we have to calculate the mid. For mid we need high or low. So we need actually high or no, not the whole array I think. So टारगेट चाहिए होगा हमको, हाई और लो चाहिए होगा. तो मिड क्या होगा, हाई माइनस लो डिवाइड बाय 2. ओके. एंड जब तक लो इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू हाई है तब तक हमें ये करते रहना है. और इफ एरे ऑफ मिड इज इक्वल्स टू टारगेट हो जाता है, देन अगर ऐसा हो जाता है तो हमें क्या करना है कि एक रिजल्ट बनाना पड़ेगा हमें यहाँ पे, जो हम रिटर्न करेंगे. इसमें इनिशियली -1 डाल देंगे. अगर हमें फाइंड ही नहीं हुआ तो -1 रिटर्न कर देंगे. तो वी विल ऐड इन रिजल्ट द इंडेक्स ऑफ दैट. तो व्हाट इज द इंडेक्स? इंडेक्स इज मिड. And we will continue our search in left half. For that we will change the mid value. No, we will for continue our search in left half we will change our high value to mid -1. And I'll check the second case. If array of mid is less than target, it means our target will be find in the right half. So we will update our low to mid +1. And the last case, when array of mid is greater than target, it means that our target will be in the left half. For that we will change high to mid -1. And we will low is equals to 0 and int high is equals to array dot length -1. And the same code will be applicable for last occurrence. The only change will be is that we will continue our search in right half. For that we will have to change low to mid +1. And in the last we will return result. Here also in last we will return result. So that's it. I think the code should work now. So let us check. There are some compilations error in line number 46. I think we have to add public here, and also here. Now try to compile it. Illegal start of expression 46 line number. So just a second, I need to debug. The actual problem is that we don't have the closing bracket for our function, main function. Now it should work. Your program took more time complexity. I think that oh, we have to update our mid in while condition. That's the mistake I do in the loop condition. Now it should work fine. Uh, Still the output is not as expected because uh, so yes, now our code is working fine. The problem is in this if condition. We actually uh, do this, which is not expected, which is logically incorrect. We have to do this when f1 and l1 is equals to -1, then we have to return -1. So let us check now that uh, we are getting the right answer or not. So for first test case the code is working fine. Let us check for all the test cases. It fails for uh, so in that case we have to return 0 actually. So now it should work. Mm, so dosto, our code is working fine, and uh, I hope that you will understand the solution properly, and that's not a very tough question, but sometimes you don't get the hint, and in the interview scenario you can be hopeless if you doesn't do this problem before. So try to solve many problems of different types so that you can get the idea at that moment where it will be most important for you. So that's the point, and जुड़ रहिए हमारे साथ और सीखते रहिए कोडिंग। आज के लिए इतना ही। और दिल मायूस होता है, पर खुश रहना चाहिए। ऑल यू हैव इज वन लाइफ, सो बी हैप्पी। ऑल दैट आई वांट टू से। ओके, तो बाय दोस्तों।